Okay. There you are. There you go. Benidorm Mad Mike. Have a look on the videos. Yeah. That way round.
That side.
Yeah, that side. Girls, where are you from?
Bristol!
Hey.
Nice.
See you later. The city all over us.
I probably don't like footy. The lasses.
That's it, like football, Marcus. We do now anyway. So we're going to have a walk back up towards the strip. See what's going on down there.
You're brave.
Yeah, I'm brave. Gonna do a more sensible video than Marcus.
You cheeky little.
So yeah, we got a flash going over there. They've got a singer on and something. Yeah, it's pretty loud as well because they've got the doors open. Apparently they have to shut up at 6 o'clock. I don't know if that's still the rule. Got the information centre there. And the police station if you get any bother. Right, so round we go now. This hotel here is eventually back open now. Is it called, Marcus?
Villa de Benidorm.
Villa de Benidorm. Yeah. Let me know if you stopped here, guys, because it wasn't looking very good up till a couple of weeks ago. What's it like inside? Been there for 3 years, near enough, closed.
British hotel.
Got scooters down the back there. Have we got charging points? I'm not sure. Nearly 3 years closed though, so yeah, they come back off that. Excellent hotel if you want to stop on the strip. You're going to be right close to the strip. Got Morgan's right next door. And Neptune's is one in the same bar. There we go, guys. Gonna have a look what they got on tonight. Can't give a shout out to Marcus. What have we got on tonight? It's Friday night, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, again.
Thursday night.
Thursday night, yeah. Sorry. Day out again. That's not too bad for me. Come.
You gotta shut up.
8 o'clock we go.
8 o'clock you've got the beautiful Kelly Griggs. Then on at
9 o'clock you got
Carlos. 10 o'clock is Queen Forever.
pretty good, were they, miming? That's what I wanted to know. I think they were. Anyway, carry on.
11 PM is Chris Cronus and Christian Capital, the Sea Shark Project.
Yeah, should be a good show.
Winner
That.
of Benidorm's favourite musical act as
There you
well.
go.
So, award-winning show. After
12.
that, at 12 AM is the Bruno Mars Experience. At 1 AM
Take it away at 1 AM.
Take That These Days. And finishing your night off
2 o'clock till 3.
2 o'clock is the party animal of Benidorm, Matt Fisher, with some brilliant songs from people such as Neil Diamond and Ultra Beat.
Ultra Beat, wow. Okay, next door you've got karaoke on every night from, don't you start, Marcus?
Half 8.
Half 8, yeah, I got it now. Half 8 till 8, I'd still people go out.
How late? Don't, because I mean,
Yeah.
they can't kick you out, can't they, if you don't want to go home?
Do great food in here as well, so yeah, some of the food they do. Absolute loads of stuff. Menu in there, and have a look. So moving on a little bit now, we're just going to get past these bars. Okay, we usually got music on here, we're going to get past this pub. There we go. So yeah, gonna have a quick walk down here. That was posh. The new hotel there, through the door. That looks absolutely fantastic now they've redone it. Yeah, we're gonna have a look down here anyway. Really needed an overhaul. I think they've done a brilliant job. Looks good. So we're going to try and do this while they've got the music off. What's on tonight here, Marcus?
Oh, top in the coast.
Still got the ghost.
Wait, oh, right, yeah. So
9 o'clock.
starting tonight at 9 o'clock is when Fishing with the tribute to the We Will Rock You musical.
Right, we've got Alboy
Senior on at 10 p.m. The British Bulldog of Comedy.
Probably one of the worst acts in Benidorm. I don't know, he's probably improved since we've seen him.
On at 11 o'clock is the ultimate tribute to ABBA by the beautiful Jasmine and Nikki. Finally finishing your evening off at 12 o'clock. You have Apollo with their tribute to the music of the Drifters.
Yeah, the Drifters drifting away into disco after that, I should imagine.
Yeah.
Till about 3 in the morning. There we go, guys. Yeah, Benidorm doesn't go to sleep very early. Could be 3 o'clock if you're down on the strip. Go up on the square, it'll probably be about 7 o'clock when you get on your way home. Been there long you want to stop out, you stop as long as you like. Yeah. After 7, you're probably off to the day bars again. Getting in there, getting in for your breakfast. I've done it before, guys. Breakfast on the way home. I slept for a couple of days. No, it's alright, not that bad, but you have a good lie in anyway. Okay, now we're over at the Ambassador, what they got on tonight.
Oh,
9 o'clock, Marcus.
At 9 o'clock is me, Joel, with his tribute to Reggae Nights.
In the middle.
On at 10 you have one of Benidorm's best vocalists, Ben Ashley. And finally finishing at 1 p.m. is Charlie Joes and his tribute to Queen for
I think that was 11 o'clock, guys.
Yeah,
Watch
11.
this properly.
What did
There
I
we go.
say?
1 o'clock.
Oh, sorry.
Another place looking absolutely fantastic now. They've finished refurbishing. Finished this last year. Looking brilliant now. Looking really nice.
Probably go as far as saying it's one of the best hotels in Benidorm.
It's probably one of the best down this end now, yeah. So we're going to walk on up. Yeah, there we go, guys. John Joe's over there. I'm still not convinced about going in there. Never seem to have a lot in there compared to next door. JJ's. I don't know why that is. Apparently that used to be the best of the two bars. John Joseph's. Seems pretty empty at the moment. Which to me only says one thing, something wrong in there. It just seems like there's one guy in there. I know, maybe I got this wrong, guys, let me know. How are we doing on the time? We're up 10 minutes already, Marcus. Whoa. So we're coming on 11 minutes now. God, guys, don't time fly when you're enjoying yourself. Yeah, and we've got the Western Saloon here. Not as busy as we have seen it, guys, but yeah. It's more Spanish holidays now, so yeah, a few in there, but not many. That gets absolutely packed at night though. So guys, we're going to leave the video here. Like and subscribe as normal if you're new to the channel. It'd be brilliant if you could subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Bye. Thanks for watching.